Say hi, Izzie. We're just sitting outside on my front porch, getting some fresh air, even though it's very gloomy and cloudy out today. It's my big pine tree. When I moved in last year, it was a quarter of this size. So this thing has grown quite a bit since last year. It's kind of chilly out today, but Izzie wanted to come out, so I put her in her little Halloween shirt so she wouldn't get cold. Let me see if I can show you her shirt closer. She's listening to one of the dogs in the neighborhood. Hi, Izzie. Yeah, she's so pretty. But here's her little shirt. It's really cute. I got this one for her and for her sister, little Tony Cat. But Tony Cat, I don't like to bring her outside because she's very squirmy and she gets scared easily. And then here's her little Halloween collar. She's purring. I don't know if you can hear that, but she's always purring, especially when I take her outside. I got, for the kitten, she has a pumpkin collar that she's wearing. And maybe at some point I'll get to show her, but I didn't want her out here right now. And I'm just enjoying a pumpkin spice latte that I made in my little Halloween mug that I bought. I got it from Kohl's. And I have some pumpkins that I bought last week. I got them from Aldi's. I usually don't buy pumpkins, but a lot of my neighbors have pumpkins on their porches or, by their little doors. And I was like, maybe I'll do that this year, fit in with the neighbors for once with my pumpkins. And they're pretty cute, so I like them. Yeah. So I just wanted to share a little video of Izzie and just enjoy nature with her and my coffee. I do love coffee. So, and I'm usually not a Halloween person or fall, but by the design of my mug, it's obvious this year I'm trying to be more festive with Halloween. It's a cute mug. So, and my pumpkins, they're making me a little bit more festive too. I wanted to get a pumpkin that I can cook with, but these are kind of big, so I don't know if I'll use either of them for cooking. I thought they'd look nice on my porch. It's a little windy out, but Izzie's just enjoying the fresh air, I think. And I love that tree right there with the purple leaves. It's so pretty. I had this little sidewalk and the front porch. I just had that done this year because the house didn't have a porch or the walkway was kind of messy, and I didn't want people to have a hard time walking to my front door with that, so just decided to get it all redone. It's very nice now. So, hoping it'll be easier to take care of when winter comes for shoveling and all of that. So, yeah, I got her this stroller 2 years ago because I like to take her on walks. And I tried taking her on a leash, but that wasn't a good idea because she decided to run loose from her leash and she went into the woods. So it took me an hour or two to finally catch her, and that made me decide, well, I have to get something else to use for her to go on walks with me. So I found this Paws and Pals stroller on Amazon, and I love it. But it's, gotten a little bit of dirt on it on the inside, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to clean it, or maybe next spring I might just get a new one. Maybe I'll get a double one so I can take both of them, her and Tony Cat, with me. I don't know about Tony Cat, she's a lot. She's very skittish around other people, so if I took her in the stroller she'd try to get out of it, and I don't want to have to chase her around the neighborhood. But Izzie's very calm. She loves going on walks and just being outside. So when I lived with my parents a couple years ago, before I moved in here, and Izzie obviously lived with me, she was used to going outside because my parents live on a dead-end street, so it's very quiet, and the cats, they have 6 cats. So there were 7 when she and I were still there, and she would like to sit out on the porch and just watch the birds, and she'd watch the other cats run around. So she still, now that we live in our own little house, she still wants to go outside occasionally, so I'll either, if I take her out front, she goes in the stroller, and then the backyard is fenced in, so when I take her out back, she'll just roam around the yard, but I don't ever let her out without me out there, because I just don't want her to get a little too adventurous. And there's, I guess, a dog in the neighborhood is talking, and Izzie's listening. Izzie, are you listening to the dog? That dog's very talkative. Yeah, I don't know whose dog it is or where, but I can hear it. So can she. Alright, I think that'll be the end of this video. Izzie, you wanna say bye? Izzers. Psst, 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 psst. She's too busy watching the grass. Alright. Happy fall.